If you're skipping this muscle, you're holding back your entire body's progress. All right, fitness enthusiasts, let's talk about the real secret to unlocking your full strength potential. There's one muscle group that often gets overlooked, yet it's absolutely critical for everything you do, both in and out of the gym. We're talking about your core and posterior chain. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about building a robust, functional body from the ground up. Your core and posterior chain are the indispensable foundation for comprehensive full-body strength. Neglecting them is like trying to build a skyscraper on sand. Throughout this discussion, we'll dive deep into why these muscles are so vital. You'll understand their role as your body's central powerhouse and discover how training them can revolutionize your fitness journey. Get ready to rethink your workout priorities. Your core and posterior chain act as the body's central powerhouse and stabilizer. They are the bridge connecting your upper and lower body, ensuring seamless and powerful movement. Without a strong center, your limbs can't operate at their peak. This foundational strength facilitates efficient force transfer throughout your entire body. Whether you're pushing, pulling, lifting, or running, the energy generated needs a stable pathway to travel. A weak core means energy leaks, reducing your overall power. These muscles are essential for all compound movements and functional activities. Think about squats, deadlifts, overhead presses, or even just picking up groceries. Every single one relies heavily on a strong, engaged core and posterior chain. Training these muscles prevents compensatory movements from weaker muscle groups. When your core is weak, other muscles like your lower back or shoulders try to pick up the slack. This leads to inefficient movement patterns and increased injury risk. Ultimately, a strong core and posterior chain form the bedrock for athletic performance and daily tasks. From sprinting on the track to maintaining good posture at your desk, their influence is pervasive and profound. They are truly the unsung heroes of your physical capabilities. Training your core and posterior chain significantly improves performance in major lifts. You'll notice a substantial difference in your squats, deadlifts, and overhead presses as your body becomes more stable and efficient. This foundational strength allows you to lift heavier and with better form. It also dramatically increases power generation for explosive movements. Whether you're jumping, throwing, or sprinting, a strong core ensures that force is transferred effectively from your lower body to your upper body. This translates directly into more powerful dynamic actions. Furthermore, consistent training boosts muscular endurance across various exercises. A resilient core can sustain effort longer, delaying fatigue in compound movements and allowing you to push through those extra reps. This endurance is crucial for both strength and conditioning. Optimizing your biomechanics for greater lifting capacity is another key benefit. A stable core helps maintain proper alignment, reducing strain on joints and allowing your prime movers to work more efficiently. This means safer, more effective lifts and faster progress. Finally, a strong core and posterior chain contribute to better balance and coordination. These muscles are integral to proprioception, your body's sense of position and movement. Improved balance enhances athletic performance and reduces the risk of falls in daily life. A strong core and posterior chain provide crucial support for the spine and torso. They act like a natural corset, stabilizing your vertebral column and protecting it from excessive movement. This support is fundamental for maintaining spinal integrity. Training these muscles actively helps correct and prevent postural imbalances. Many common postural issues, like rounded shoulders or an anterior pelvic tilt, stem from weakness in these areas. Strengthening them pulls your body into better alignment. This directly translates to reducing the incidence and severity of lower back pain. A strong core supports the lumbar spine, alleviating pressure and preventing the muscle strains that often lead to discomfort. It's one of the most effective strategies for back pain relief. By improving your posture, you also promote a more upright and confident stance. Standing taller and moving with greater ease not only feels better, but also projects an image of strength and self-assurance. It's a visible benefit that impacts your daily interactions. Investing in your core and posterior chain is investing in long-term spinal health. These muscles are your body's primary defense against spinal degeneration and injury. Prioritizing them now will pay dividends for years to come. Training this muscle group effectively stabilizes joints, particularly the spine and pelvis. A strong integrated core creates a rigid platform from which your limbs can move, protecting vulnerable joints from excessive stress and unwanted motion. This stability is paramount for injury prevention. It actively protects against strains, sprains, and overuse injuries throughout the body. When your core is weak, other muscles and joints are forced to compensate, leading to fatigue and increased susceptibility to injury. A strong core absorbs and distributes forces more effectively. This consistent training builds a resilient and robust physical structure. Your body becomes more capable of handling the demands of intense workouts, sports, and unexpected movements. You develop a protective armor from within. Ultimately, strengthening your core and posterior chain minimizes the risk of injuries during sports and daily activities. Whether you're performing complex athletic maneuvers or simply bending down to tie your shoes, a strong foundation keeps you safe and functional. It's your body's built-in safety mechanism. Neglecting your core and posterior chain leads to a significant reduction in overall strength potential. You might be able to lift heavy with your arms or legs, but without a stable base, that strength can't be fully expressed or transferred. It's like having a powerful engine in a car with a flimsy chassis. This neglect inevitably creates muscular imbalances that affect movement patterns. Other muscles will try to compensate for the weakness, leading to inefficient and potentially harmful ways of moving. These imbalances can manifest as tightness, weakness, or pain in seemingly unrelated areas. It forces other muscle groups to overcompensate, leading to premature fatigue and increased strain. Your lower back, hip flexors, or even neck muscles might become overworked, trying to stabilize your torso. This constant overcompensation can lead to chronic pain and reduced performance. A weak core and posterior chain severely impairs performance in compound exercises and athletic endeavors. Your squats won't be as deep, your deadlifts won't be as heavy, and your overhead presses will feel unstable. Every major lift suffers without a strong foundation. This weakness also significantly reduces power output and agility. Explosive movements become sluggish, and quick changes in direction are compromised. You simply can't generate or transfer force effectively, limiting your athletic potential. Ultimately, neglecting these muscles limits progress in strength training and skill development. You'll hit plateaus faster, struggle to learn new movements, and find yourself constantly battling instability. It becomes a bottleneck for all your fitness goals. Perhaps the most critical consequence is the heightened susceptibility to back pain and spinal issues. A weak core provides inadequate support for your spine, making it vulnerable to strains, herniated discs, and chronic discomfort. This is a common complaint among those who skip core work. It also increases vulnerability to injuries in other areas, such as the shoulders and knees. When your core can't stabilize, the stress gets shunted to other joints, leading to rotator cuff issues, knee pain, and other overuse injuries. The body works as an interconnected system. Finally, neglecting these crucial muscles contributes to poor posture and associated discomfort. Slouching, rounded shoulders and a protruding abdomen are often signs of a weak core. This poor posture can lead to neck pain, headaches, and a general feeling of stiffness. When training your core and posterior chain, emphasize consistency over intensity initially. Regular, focused sessions with proper form will yield far better results than sporadic, high-intensity efforts. Build a solid foundation first. Always focus on proper form and controlled movements. These muscles are about stability and control, not just brute force. Slow, deliberate movements ensure you're engaging the correct muscles and building true functional strength. Quality over quantity is key here. Incorporate a variety of exercises targeting different aspects of these muscle groups. Think beyond just crunches. You need movements that challenge anti-rotation, anti-extension, lateral flexion, and hip extension to build a truly comprehensive core and posterior chain. For foundational exercises, start with planks, dead bugs, and bird dogs. These movements teach you how to brace your core, maintain spinal neutrality, and coordinate your limbs without excessive spinal movement. They are excellent for building basic stability. As you progress, incorporate more challenging exercises like Pallof presses, loaded carries, and good mornings. Pallof presses challenge anti-rotation. Loaded carries build incredible core stability under load, and good mornings strengthen the entire posterior chain. These are powerful progression tools. Finally, integrate these exercises into your existing workout routines. You can use them as part of your warm-up to activate these crucial muscles as dedicated core and posterior chain work in the middle of your session, or as finishers to exhaust them. Make them a non-negotiable part of your training. So, there you have it. The secret muscle group that you absolutely cannot afford to skip is your core and posterior chain. We've explored their indispensable role as your body's central powerhouse and stabilizer, the foundation for all strength and movement. The benefits of training these muscles are undeniable: enhanced overall strength, improved posture, better spinal health, and robust injury prevention. These aren't just minor gains. They are transformative improvements that impact every aspect of your physical life. Conversely, neglecting them leads to a cascade of negative consequences, from significant strength limitations and muscular imbalances to chronic pain and increased injury risk. It's a trade-off that simply isn't worth making. Now, it's time to take action. Start incorporating consistent, varied, and properly executed core and posterior chain exercises into your routine. Make them a priority, not an afterthought. By committing to strengthening these foundational muscles, you're not just building a stronger core, you're unlocking your true full-body strength potential. You're building a more resilient, powerful, and pain-free body for life. Let's get to work. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.